13 years ago, Vossen made his first video on YouTube. At that time, they were one of the only wheel manufacturers that I can remember making cinematic content that I enjoyed watching on YouTube. Every time a new video would drop, I would immediately watch it and share the video with friends. One thing that made each video cool was the various amount of makes and models you would see in the videos. It would range from American muscle, exotics, foreign, you name it, they had it. Every video had a dope wheel setup, good music, perfect fitment, and just a vibe that could not be matched. I myself have taken a few pointers from some of the Vossen videos I've watched along the years of my journey as a content creator. So thank you for that. Impact 2023 presented an opportunity of a lifetime that I could not turn down. Vossen was looking for a booth car for Impact. I was going to be at Impact, so I said, all right, let's get it. I saw a flyer, sent the DM to Diego, who's the marketing and sales director over at Vossen, and was like, yo, what's good? I'm already going to be at Impact. Let's make this happen. I know I don't have Vossen wheels right now, but we can change that. So after a few conversations back and forth, here we are. Gumby with the S2102 21-inch wheels. All right, let's get it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and I know you seen the thumbnail, and I know you just heard me narrate a little bit, but let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels, all right? So these are some custom Vossen wheels. Special shout out again goes to Diego and the whole Vossen team over there for making this a possibility, all right? So these wheels are 21 by 10, 21 by 11, so similar to setup to my BC Forged. The front offset is a little more aggressive. I'll be putting the statistics up on the wheels up here on the screen so you guys will have the information on them, man. So Vossen hooked this up. I will say that the front end is a little bit more aggressive. It is a little more aggressive than my BC Fords. They stick out a little more. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see right there, it is super flush with the front end. My BC Fords were a little sunken in just a tad. These are 3 millimeters out further, and they just give it that more flush look in the front end of the car, and they look great. So now just looking at the wheels on the car, I really like the way they look. Got a nice concave profile to them, and they just kind of, I think this color is like a brush. I think this color is like a brushed gloss clear, so it looks really, really good, and it's a little different. So I had like a brush gloss gray was my BC Forge wheels, and this is a brush clear, excuse me. So it pops a little bit more, it shines a little bit more, sticks out a little bit more than the gray wheels that I had on previously. So what you guys think, man? Y'all feeling these Vossens? I'm really liking them myself. Really think they look good. Just kind of give y'all a walk around right here. Got a lot of spokes. This is a nasty design. As you see, you got a whole lot of profile. There's a whole lot of design elements to these wheels. So you got your flat face right here. Then it goes in. Then you got another piece that sticks up right through here. These are like razor sharp edges. Almost felt like when I was coating the wheels that I could cut myself. You know what I mean? Like the precision and everything that they did is just top notch. We also got the Vossen valve stem covers right there. So that's a must have if you do have their wheels. You definitely got to have those right there. And yeah, man, I mean, everything looks good. So the tires that are on these wheels are the same ones that I had on BC Forge. So 285, 30, 21 in the front, and then 295, 30, 21 in the rear. So everything bolted up, went on perfectly, road force balanced, and we are good to go. So this whole opportunity became possible because I saw that Vossen needed a booth car for Impact, and I will see you guys at Impact. So I reached out to them, was like, "Hey, I'll be a booth car for Impact. Let's make something happen." So they were able to send me out a loaner set. So this set is a loaner set, and I'm gonna let you guys decide if I'm gonna keep them or not. All right. So if you really like these, let me know down in the comments. I'm gonna be putting a poll up soon, comparing these to my other wheels, and we're gonna see which ones you guys like more. And then that's probably the set I'm probably gonna keep. So we'll see, man. I'm make a little contest, make y'all involved in that process. All right. So right now we're gonna be rocking these for Impact, which is gonna be this weekend based on the time this video is shot. So you guys can see these in person at Impact. All right. So I don't want to give y'all everything away in this video, but I did kind of want to do this video so y'all let y'all know when y'all see my car at Impact. And I'm like, oh, something's changed. Definitely it's changed. It's the wheels. The wheels will definitely have changed. All right. So make this short and sweet. Special shout out again goes to the Vossen team. I've always been a fan of you guys. Definitely appreciate this opportunity. Diego, thank you for helping me out through this process. And everyone else that's been involved in this process. All right. So you guys saw the wheels. Let me know what you think down below. See you guys at Impact. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.